I think only Filipino organizations or agencies are allowed that kind of service within the Philippines. I think, Mama. I do not know. I do not know. But I know that they are Filipinos. Yes.
Do you also do you feel secure
No, I don't.
with children?
No, ma'am. No. But no, I do not feel secure. As I said, that there's always been bias because when we see, say for example, DOJ, iniimbestigahan nila yung press con. Pero hindi nila iniimbestigahan kung bakit kami umabot doon sa press con na yon. Iniimbestigahan nila ang threat ko, no? Pero they've not ever